Looking for even more ways to make money online? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No prior experience required. Whether you're a creative, a problem solver, or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Let's jump in. First up is voiceover work. From commercials to audiobooks, there's a growing demand for talented voices. If you have a clear and engaging voice, this skill is perfect for you. Start by practicing your delivery and investing in a good microphone. Many clients pay $50 to $300 per project, depending on the length and complexity. To get started, create a demo reel and showcase your work on platforms like voices.com or Fiverr. With consistent effort, this skill can open doors to exciting opportunities in the media industry. Next is lead generation. Businesses are always looking for new customers, and if you can help them find leads, you're in demand. As a lead generator, you'll research and provide contact information for potential clients. Start by learning tools like LinkedIn Sales Navigator or Hunter.io. Many businesses pay $20 to $100 per hour for lead generation services. To stand out, focus on delivering high-quality leads and building relationships with clients. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by networking with small businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative niche. Third is event planning. From weddings to corporate events, people are always looking for help organizing their special occasions. If you're organized and love planning, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning the basics of event planning, including how to create timelines and manage budgets. Many clients pay $500 to $5,000 per event, depending on the scale and complexity. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Thumbtack or reach out to local businesses that host events. With a bit of networking and marketing, you can build a reputation and attract higher paying clients. This skill is perfect if you enjoy organizing and want to help others create unforgettable experiences. Fourth is AI content generation. With the rise of AI tools, there's a growing demand for experts who can create high-quality content using AI. If you enjoy writing and technology, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like ChatGPT or Jasper. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per project, depending on the scope. To stand out, focus on creating engaging and well-researched content. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by reaching out to businesses directly. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a lucrative niche. Finally, let's talk about resume writing. With so many people looking for jobs, a well-crafted resume can make all the difference. If you're good at writing and organizing information, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning the basics of resume formatting and keyword optimization. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per resume, depending on your experience. To stand out, focus on creating clean, professional designs that align with your client's branding. You can find work on platforms like LinkedIn or Upwork. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a steady income stream. And that's a wrap. 5 more skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose voiceover work, lead generation, event planning, AI content generation, or resume writing, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.